In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video scale in CapCut PC. If you've ever needed to punch in on a tiny detail or pull your footage back to its original size, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. We're working in the PC version of CapCut. Think of your workspace in three key areas: the timeline along the bottom, where your clips live, the central preview, where you see your edit, and the properties panel in the top right, where you'll make fine-tuned adjustments. Start by dropping your footage onto the timeline and clicking the clip you want to adjust. As soon as it's selected, its custom adjustment settings appear in that top right properties corner. This is where you'll find everything you need for scaling. If you're ever unsure whether the right clip is selected, just look for the highlight in the timeline and confirm that the settings in the panel update to match. Next, in the Properties panel, go to the Video section, then the Basic tab. Look for the control labeled Scale. Scale changes how large your video appears on the canvas without changing the original file. It keeps your aspect ratio consistent, so your image won't stretch or squash. To zoom in, simply drag the scale slider to the right. As you do, watch the central preview window. Your video will immediately grow larger and feel closer, which is perfect for emphasizing a button, a line of text, or any fine detail. A quick tip: small adjustments can make a big difference. If you go too far, edges of the clip will extend beyond the canvas, and parts of the frame will be cropped out. Once you've zoomed in, click directly inside the main video player window and drag the footage around. This lets you recenter the frame exactly where you want attention. You can nudge the image until your subject sits in a pleasing spot, centered for clarity, or offset slightly if you're following a rule of thirds look. The preview typically offers guides and snapping to help you align things cleanly, so use that visual feedback to refine your composition. When you're ready to zoom back out, or you want to return to your original full screen layout, drag that same scale slider to the left until it reads 100%. 100% is your clip's native size on the current canvas, so everything fits as it originally did. If you overshoot, just ease the slider back to exactly 100, and you're back to normal. That's all there is to it. With the scale slider and a quick drag in the preview, you can highlight important details, guide your viewer's eye, and reset in seconds.